All right, so I'm going to talk about probably one of my most favorite wild herbs is chickweeds. Stellaria medea. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Okay, very good. So chickweed grows probably one of the first greens, if not through the whole winter. I mean, there's been times that I have picked chickweed in December here. Like every time I see it, I just want to lay down in it. It's cooling, it's soft, it's just delicate, it's beautiful. And it's usually growing in like these magical places. They look like little fairies would be running in and out of the chickweed. It's so great. But one of the things that I love so much about it is how many ways I can use it. Chickweed is very cooling. It's a great blood mover. That's why I think it probably pops up after a time of where maybe we might have been hibernating a little. But it does move the blood. You can use it as a seasoning just like you can with nettles. You can dry it, add it with a little salt, which I do. I actually add it to my tooth powder because it has those minerals. I put it in with the salt and add it to the tooth powder to add a little more minerals to your teeth and your enamel. It's a great herb to add to a salve to help with inflamed areas on the skin. I have actually used it as an eye wash. So I make a tea and let it infuse just like a normal cold infusion. Let it sit overnight and strain it out really good. You want to use like a nut milk bag or something like that. Strain it really, really good. And I have these little cups, eye cups. Has anybody ever seen those before? And I'll add a little bit of the tea and like throw it back, put it on your eye. Open my eyes a couple of times, but it's really cooling to aggravated and inflamed areas. Chickweed is also really high in vitamins and minerals, so it's great to add to a salad. I will say that, adding it as a full salad is probably not something you should do. It will kind of upset your stomach if you eat too much of it, but it's certainly a great addition to add to soups, breads, salads, cheese and crackers. You can add it on. I've added it to pizza. Just chopped it real good and just put it on top of pizza. You could add it even to lasagna like you do young nettles. And it's just abundant, especially here. I feel like it's just all over the place. And you can even grow it in your garden during the cooler months as kind of like a ground cover or garden bed cover because it will help the minerals in the soil. And then you can cut it and you can just cut it like you're cutting somebody's hair. It's so much fun to work with.